Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a dashboard. In a previous tutorial I have explained how to create assets, how to connect devices. So right now I'm going to show you how to build a dashboard. So I will build a dashboard for an asset. So I have here different weather stations. So let's take Brussels, and you see this is different information we have about Brussels as an asset, and we have attached actually a device which is a weather station. So now what I want to do is build a dashboard where I will show on a line chart the evolution of temperature and humidity in Brussels. So I go to dashboards, add a dashboard, give it a name. Let's say I will call it Brussels. I leave all the other fields empty for the moment. And when I'm in Brussels, I can add a widget. So here we have a library of different widgets, which are different ways to show the information that we collect from different sensors. I'm going to take a line chart, and I will call it temp humidity. And actually all widgets will have the same type of interface. I have to select the data source. So I will show something which is called temp from my asset called Brussels. Okay, and automatically you get the information that I know about Brussels. So I will take temperature, and then I will also add on my chart humidity. I will, from the same asset, it could be another one, and I take humidity and I add it. So then I will check for the time frame. So I will take today as it's okay. And now you get your widget, your chart. And if you go back, you can also customize it. There are a lot of different customization, but the one I want to show you are first comparison, so that you get you can compare data. And also what I will do is I will move humidity on the right axis. Yes, that's it. So this is now my widget. I can resize it, I can move it, and doing the same way, you can build all the widgets, all the dashboards that you want. It's quite easy.